KTM's middleweight naked bike has always occupied a sweet spot in the Austrian firm's lineup. More agile and approachable than the larger Duke models, yet significantly more potent than the entry-level offerings, the 790 Duke built its reputation on delivering serious performance in a lightweight package. For 2027, KTM has sharpened that formula further with updated styling, revised ergonomics, upgraded electronics, and new hardware aimed at keeping the bike competitive in an increasingly crowded middleweight segment. The most obvious change is visual. Gone is the familiar split-face headlight design that defined previous generations. In its place sits a more aggressive front end inspired by the latest 990 and 1390 Dukes, featuring a central LED projector flanked by distinctive daytime running lights. The revised bodywork also includes a reshaped fuel tank, larger front fairing sections, and cleaner side panels that not only modernize the bike's appearance but are designed to provide improved rider support during cornering and braking. Underneath the fresh bodywork remains KTM's proven 799cc LC8C parallel twin. For international markets, the engine produces acclaimed 105 PS and 87 Newton-meters of torque, while European A2 compliant versions continue with a reduced 95 PS output. KTM says the compact twin remains one of the lightest engines in its class, delivering strong low and mid-range performance while still offering an entertaining rush toward its 9,500 RPM power peak. The engine now meets Euro 5+ emissions regulations thanks to a revised exhaust system, while fuel consumption is claimed at 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers. The chassis philosophy remains unchanged. A chromium-molybdenum steel frame uses the engine as a stressed member to maximize rigidity while minimizing weight. KTM claims a dry weight of 167 kilograms, helping the 790 Duke remain one of the lightest motorcycles in the middleweight naked category. Geometry is equally focused, with a 1475mm wheelbase, 66-degree steering angle, and 98mm of trail aimed at preserving the bike's reputation for razor-sharp handling. Suspension duties handled by WP Apex components front and rear. A 43mm WP Apex open cartridge fork offers 150mm of front travel and adjustable compression and rebound damping, while the WP Apex monoshock delivers 170mm of rear wheel travel with rebound and preload adjustment. Braking sees one of the more significant hardware updates for 2027. KTM has moved away from previous suppliers in favor of an all-new in-house WP braking system. The setup consists of twin 300mm floating front discs paired with radially mounted 4-piston calipers, while a 240mm rear disc and single-piston caliper handle rear braking duties. Bosch ABS remains standard, alongside cornering-sensitive rider aids and Supermoto ABS functionality. Technology has also taken a step forward. A new 5-inch bonded glass TFT display now serves as the rider's interface, featuring improved graphics, a streamlined menu structure, and intuitive motorcycle infographic that visually displays system adjustments. Standard ride modes include Street, Sport, and Rain, while optional track and tech packs unlock features such as launch control, adjustable traction control, quick shifter plus, cruise control, and motor slip regulation. KTM's electronics package remains among the most comprehensive available in the middleweight naked bike class. Ergonomics have been revised to make the bike more accommodating while preserving its sporty character. KTM has reshaped the seat with a slimmer front section for improved knee grip and easier reach to the ground, while retaining adequate padding for longer rides. The foot pegs have been repositioned 2mm rearward and 7mm higher, creating a more engaged riding position. With a seat height of 825mm, a 13.5-liter fuel tank, the 2027 790 Duke continues to target riders looking for a lightweight, highly responsive middleweight naked rather than an outright horsepower monster. The 790 Duke has always been about precision rather than excess, and the 2027 model appears determined to stay true to that philosophy. Sharper looking, better equipped, and more technologically advanced than before, KTM's latest middleweight naked remains exactly what its nickname suggests, a scalpel designed for riders who value agility and engagement above all else.